Hi guys, Nick here, and today the other Blu-ray and DVD unboxing. And this time I'm going to be doing a movie here called Night of the Zoopocalpse, which I haven't seen the movie yet, but I will see this movie on this Blu-ray and DVD case after this video. And you got the main characters of the front of the case. And some kind of gondola in the background. And along with the Ferris wheel. And the colorful Blu-ray strip on the top here is green, which is very interesting. And we got the back of the case. And the bottom of the front here says fun family adventure. And back to back of the case. Yeah, it has some quotes on the back too. Well, one on the very top says the perfect movie for a new generation. The one to the left, which is almost right below it, says engaging in blend of silly and spooky. Well, the one near the bottom says a fun and thrilling and action and packed sci-fi adventure. We got some scenes here from the movie. And now let's get this out of the little strip cover. And so I can get the plastic off and take a look at both the Blu-ray and the DVD for the movie to see what it looks like. Now the plastic is off. Let's take out the Blu-ray and DVD. And this is what it looks like. Got the DVD on the left. And the Blu-ray disc on the right. Which is pretty much the same picture as the one on the front of the case here. And that's going to be it for the unboxing. If you enjoyed today's Night of the Zoopocalpse Blu-ray and DVD unboxing, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you will be notified of when a new video is going to be uploaded to the channel. And more videos will be coming to the channel soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.